Konnichiwa! Today we're going to make one of my most favorite things to eat, Tamago Sando. Tamago is egg in Japanese, Sando is, you can probably guess, sandwich. Today we're gonna make a simple home version of it. I'm gonna show you how to do it. Let's get started. First thing we gotta do here is boil some water. So I actually have my wok filled with water already. Some of you might be asking, who the heck boils water in a wok? Well, I do. So let's put this up, bring it to a boil, and then after it starts boiling, I'm going to drop it to a medium temperature and add 6 eggs. What you want to do is leave the eggs in the boiling water for 12 minutes and then immediately transfer them to an ice water bath. So while we're waiting for the water to boil, I'm going to prepare that. All right, let's put some ice in this mixing bowl. So when we put our hot eggs in here, the eggs will immediately stop cooking. And that's how you prepare an ice bath. Super easy. Okay, the water has come to a boil now. I'm gonna drop the heat to medium and let's add our eggs now. Gonna use these tongs and gently set these eggs into the boiling water. Time's up. Let's transfer these eggs over to the ice bath. All right, let's crack these eggs. Okay, let's chop up 3 stalks of green onion. Let's just put that in our bowl. Let's put our eggs in there. Grab a fork and let's beat up these eggs. Awesome, now let's add the rest of the ingredients. First, roughly 4 tablespoons worth of mayonnaise. Just gonna eye this out. Roughly half a teaspoon's worth of sugar. Roughly half a teaspoon's worth of kosher salt and some pepper. That's roughly quarter to a half a teaspoon's worth. And roughly 1 tablespoon worth of milk. Now let's mix this all up. Look at that. And now we want to assemble the sandwich. So typically the type of bread that's used in a Japanese egg sandwich is white bread and it's really soft. So something like Wonder Bread. All right, let's get a spoonful of our egg salad. And then just put another piece of bread on top. And let's assemble another one. One for me, one for you. Now I'm gonna take a plate and set it on top of our sandwich and let this rest for 5 minutes. For some reason in Japan, all the sandwiches they serve at the convenience stores have no crust. So let's cut them off. All done. This sandwich looks amazing. I can't wait to bite into it. And also, if you're looking for any other great recipe videos, check out some of these here. And don't forget to like and hit that subscribe button. Hey guys, if you want to learn how to make a fancier version of what we're making today, check out the card right here and that'll take you over to our other video.